She's just sitting back, ain't she? Look at her arms. Cliff, she's kicked her one arm back on one side, the other one's on her leg.
She was clapping when she got down there.
Yay!
That's gonna be Caitlin, ain't it?